The purpose of this project is to introduce you to programming and processing using input from the Arduino Uno board. In this case, we'll use a light sensor to control the color of the grayscale background of the sketch. When the sensor reads dark light, the background will get darker, and vice versa. We'll look at this project in 3 parts: assembling the Arduino board, programming the Arduino board, and programming the sketch. Everything you need for assembling your Arduino board comes in the Arduino Starter Kit by SparkFun. What you'll need for this project are the light sensor, which is a 2-peg sensor with a squiggly line on top. You'll also need a 10K carbon resistor, bent into an arch-like shape, like so. You'll also need 3 wires of any color, the breadboard, and of course, the Arduino board itself. Start by attaching one of the wires, we'll use the white one, into one of the bottom pegs labeled 5V for 5 volt. Attach another wire, we'll use red, into the peg next to it labeled GND for ground. Finally, attach the final wire, I used yellow, into one of the analog in pegs. I used A0. The result should look like this. Now for the breadboard. Place the light sensor so that both pins are on either side of the breadboard, like so. Then, attach the wire connected to 5V to one side of the light sensor. Make sure that it's in line with the pin. This peg powers the breadboard. Then take the 10K carbon resistor and attach it to the other side of the breadboard, with one pin in line with the light sensor pin and the other off to the side. Make sure to leave at least one space between the light sensor and the resistor. Now take the wire attached to your analog peg and place it in between the resistor pin and the light sensor pin. Finally, take the wire attached to GND and place it next to the other end of the 10K resistor. This grounds the sensor, allowing you to use it. The result should look something like this. In the next tutorial, we'll learn how to program the Arduino board to work with processing.